Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making green bean casserole, y'all. This one is made entirely from scratch with a creamy mushroom sauce that is just so good. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is add some olive oil to a heated skillet, and then I'm going to add my sliced onions, and I'm going to season them with salt and pepper. And this is going to cook for about 8 minutes until my onions are very soft and translucent. Once my onions are soft, then I'll add in my mushrooms. And you can use button mushrooms, portobello mushrooms, or whatever mushrooms you have or you like to add here. But I'm going to season these with salt and pepper. And then again, I'm going to let these cook down for another 3 minutes. And then I'll finally toss in my garlic and cook it until you can smell the garlic. After about 3 to 5 minutes, I'll go ahead and remove my onions and mushrooms so that I can make my sauce. So I'll start by melting butter in my skillet, and then I'll go ahead and add in my flour. I'm just going to whisk these ingredients well until the roux is blonde in color before I go ahead and add in my warmed milk. Once my roux is blonde in color, I'm going to gradually add in my warmed milk. And at any point in time, you can just add additional milk as needed if your sauce is too thick. But I'm just going to allow this mixture to cook until my sauce has thickened to my liking. And then I'm going to toss in my seasonings. And then lastly, I'll toss in my white cheese. So you can use white cheddar cheese, Gruyère cheese, Parmesan cheese, whatever cheese you want to use here. After I've blended in my cheese, I'll add my mushroom and my onion mixture to the sauce, and I'm just going to fold it in until it's well combined. Now I'm going to add cooked green beans to a greased casserole dish, and I blanched these green beans just until they were bright green in color. And now I'm just going to pour all of that creamy mushroom sauce over the green beans, and I'm just going to toss them in that sauce to combine. Now this casserole goes into the oven for about 30 minutes or until it's hot and bubbling. Then I'll pull it out at the 30-minute mark and I'll add my fried onions on top. And then it gets baked into the oven for another 5 minutes, just long enough to give the onions a delicious golden tan. Without a doubt, this green bean casserole will leave your guests wanting more after each bite. And it's make ahead, y'all, which is a bonus if you ask me. Well, everyone, that is going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for joining me for another delicious recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you later.